Well, welcome back to Chin and Ron. Once again, I'm on a must-have tool. If you recall, back a while ago, I was showing the Pex crimper. Again, it's a must-have tool if you're a homeowner and you do it yourselfer. The problem with a tool like this is if you get into a really tight spot, there's just no room for it. You need a lot of area to get in there and do what you need to do. So recently I was doing some work on a motorhome and there was just no way this was going to work. So I ended up going with a different style of crimper. Unfortunately, it doesn't use the same type of crimp ring. It uses a different type of crimp ring. Okay, this is what the new tool uses. This is what the older tool uses right here. Very simple to use. It's about $40 for the device, but it's going to be a lifesaver for tight areas. And all you need to do, you slide the crimp ring over your pecs, put your fitting in of whatever it's going to be, and then go ahead and feed it in like this. Now, if you happen to go too far, like I just did, it will not fit like that. There's a little release lever. You just pull on that release lever and it will allow you to open up the jaws again. So you just take that and you just stick it in there. Again, I did it again. So you hit that release lever. You feed that in there like that. And then you just go ahead and you squeeze. And it's just going to crimp that nice and sweet, just like that. And you are all set to go. Now the job that I was doing that I'm showing you right now on the film that I had done earlier, there was just no room to get in there, and a lot of it I had to do with one hand. It was very hard for me to even get to two hands in there with this tool to get the job done, but I did it. The motorhome PVC is pretty much exactly the same thing as the PEX tubing that you pick up at Lowe's in other different places. So I was really lucky on that. This is the fitting that had broken in the motorhome right here. It was just a T. And I just put a coupling in there. This was the feed T, and I really didn't care about that, the water coming in for pressure. I had it coming in elsewhere. So I just put a coupling in there, extended the pipe, and I was back up and going. But I would not have been able to do it with this device right here. You know, you've got to have something like this for a tight spot. So about $40 from Lowe's, and I think you can get it online possibly a little bit cheaper. So, well, I hope that helps you with your PEX tools and PEX cutting and PEX crimping. And again, I hope this helps, and stay tuned for the next one.